Hey loves, so I am currently 39 weeks pregnant. I'm pretty sure that's cereal that I was eating earlier. I have definitely dropped. And today is Saturday. I am trying just to get like last minute things ready. We've already done the majority of everything that involves a newborn. So just like the bottles and the bassinet. And the clothes and all of that. I actually filmed a video sharing with you guys how I'm preparing for the baby. But today we are working on there's Benji. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. What are you doing? He's waving hi. We are preparing this room to be Benji's playroom. And you are so cute, Benji. And right now it's kind of a mess. We took the majority of the stuff down. My office is actually going to be over there. All of this right here needs to be shifted over to that room. So they're going to go ahead and pick up the furniture. We got some items that came in from Zulily, and I'll show you guys a haul of what I got. In today's video, I am partnering with Zulily.com, where you can find anything from home decor to accessories to clothing and everything in between. And the coolest part is that they always have sales and they change on a daily basis. So make sure to check them out. I'll show you guys what I got because I found the perfect rug to fit my office. I also got a rug and I'll show you what that will look like. I was looking for a white rug that would not only keep the space nice and bright, but something that could also hide stains or any dirt if need be. And I found the perfect one. It does have like little hints of gray, but it just looks so nice in the space, and I got it for a really good price, which made me happy because these are pretty big and I'm sure they can get really expensive. I also got these baskets and I love these. It's so hard to find them at a cheaper price because they're so high in demand, and I also found them on the sale page on Zulily.com for a really great price. All that stuff from the cabinet are over here. It's kind of a mess. This is where we kept a lot of Benji's toys, and he loved it to play around in. The only thing is I want him to be closer to the kitchen. Yes, you gotta be closer to the kitchen where I can keep my eye on you, huh? You and your brother? I am drinking my raspberry leaf tea to help soften and open up my cervix. And I'm also eating dates, 2 dates a day, and then I think this is just 2 raspberry tea leaf bags in I think 12 ounces of water. No, what is he doing? Is he giving kisses? So I'm eating my dates with peanut butter. They honestly don't even taste as sweet as I thought they did. This to me just tastes good. Okay, so it is the next day. We have been doing a lot of progress downstairs, and we moved all the furniture from the office into the new office spot, which is right across from where the office was. And not gonna lie, I was a little sad giving up my office space, because the reason why I was in that space was because you put up doors and it gave me the privacy that I needed to work and concentrate. Now that I'm in an open area, it's gonna get some getting used to, but for the time being, it's more important for us to have a safe area for Benji to be in when I am like with the baby nursing. And Benji is gonna start walking any day now. I feel like any day he's just gonna start walking because he can stand on his own. It's enclosed, it's close to the kitchen, so that way if I'm in the kitchen like washing dishes or making dinner or anything like that, I can keep my eye on them like at all times because it's right there. If we had the playroom on the other side, then I would have to be in the playroom the entire time. So I wanted it to be close where I can monitor him. So I am so excited. I got some more stuff from Zulily. I just placed a big order because they had so many cool deals, and I found some really cute clothes for Benji. So let me show you that. So I got some for baby brother, and I also got one for Benji. I wanted them to match. This one is probably my favorite. I love this material. It's so comfortable. Benji has a set like this that's like a tan color, and he loves it. He's so comfortable in it, and so I wanted another one. And then look how cute this is. It comes with a little hat. These were so inexpensive, and I was surprised because baby clothes can be pretty pricey sometimes, especially when they're cute and trendy like this. They could be pretty expensive, so it was nice that I found these. And this right here is so incredibly soft, and I just love this. This is so cute. I love the print, and I love neutral colors like this, so I got this for Benji as well. I have a few more things that are coming in. Like, I have a couple shirts for myself. It's just so much fun to shop on the website. I think I was on there for 3 days and I kept adding things to my cart. But what I notice is if you don't check out soon enough, some of the sales are temporary, and then once they're over, they're no longer available. And so I lost a couple things on my cart, and I'm like, man, I should have bought it when I saw it. It's really fun. I think that's what makes shopping on the website fun. It's finding like sales, finding like what they're promoting, and then there's just so much of a variety. You can get like home decor items, furniture, clothes, beauty items, like just about everything that you can think of. And I got, like I said, clothes. I got clothes for myself. I got the rug that's downstairs that's so pretty, and I also got some really pretty baskets that I plan to put either in the playroom or in my office, so we can like hide things in there that are not so appealing to be on the floor. But the baskets are really beautiful. I've been on a hunt for something like that, and I found them at a great price on Zulily. So I will have them linked down below. Check it out. I'll try and link what I can if it's still available from their websites, so you guys can get your hands on them, especially the rugs. I got so many questions on the rug, so I'll have that linked down for you guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and clean this up, throw it in the wash, and then Ricardo and I are gonna go out to eat because it's probably going to be one of the last meals Ricardo and I get to just like enjoy one another. And we're always with our baby. We're always with baby Benji. So it's going to be the first time Ricardo and I are going to go out. It's been a while since our anniversary, I think, was the last time we went out to eat by ourselves. And Ricardo's mom is here. She's going to watch Benji, which is so nice. She's been such a huge help. My whole entire family, my sister, and our friends have been so helpful. So it's really nice. Alright, so it is late at night now. We did some progress in the office, and I want to show you guys what it looks like so far. We kind of just picked things up off the floor. I haven't really like decorated things or put things exactly where they belong, except for the things that are inside of the drawers. Ricardo and I actually went out to eat one last time, just him and I, before baby is born. So I also went to my doctor's appointment today, and they told me that I am to be induced on Wednesday. And I can't believe it. So tomorrow is Benji's actual birthday. I know we celebrated earlier in the month to have like his big birthday party because I wanted to make sure I had like enough energy to do everything, and just I wasn't gonna be in labor around the time that it was his birthday party. So we had it earlier in the month, so I'm glad we celebrated all of that with our friends and family. But tomorrow he turns 1 year old, and I was on Instagram looking at all of my Instagram stories that I posted over this past year, and I was like in tears. That's why I look the way that I look. Just thinking about Benji being going from an infant to a toddler, and just how fast this year has gone by. And now it's been a full year and we are about to have another baby. the day after his birthday, which is so crazy. So let me show you guys around and what it looks like. We picked up everything off the floor here. This is the office right now. I still have to go ahead and like organize this so it looks more decorative and nicer. I kind of just put things somewhere for the time being, since I could go into labor anytime soon and we just wanted things off the floor. And then this is where my desk is going to be. I'm gonna look for some wire covers that I've seen online that help your desk be centered and still be able to hide the wires. So I'm going to be doing that, and then just organizing everything else that is on top of here. But for right now, this is what it looks like. But it's a bigger space, but I feel like because it's more open, you could see more. So I feel like this room always has to be organized and clean. And then we still have everything in there for the playroom that we'll eventually get to. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to catch you guys up on what's been going on and show you the progress of the playroom because I'm so excited about it. I ordered like a really beautiful wooden sign that says the baby's name and Benji's name, and it says playroom on there. And then what else did I do? I got the wallpaper. We want to paint. Eventually all of these things are going to take some time, but at least we have a space now for Benji, and we're going to transition his toys and stuff over there, which makes me so excited.